Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, another unboxing. So for today's video, since we are in January 2023, so year of the rabbit guys, so today's video, since I always have a new planner in every year, so kapag pumapasok ang taon guys, I have a new planner. So for today's video, i-unbox natin my latest planner from Starbucks, people of the universe. So if you know me, if you don't know me guys, we love coffee. So since we are in the Philippines and we love coffee, we love to buy coffee, random cafe, if Starbucks man yan or local cafe guys, we love to buy a coffee. So since we are in the Philippines, we love Starbucks. So this is the latest of the Starbucks guys. So I got the planner. I accomplished 18 stickers. So if you remember Starbucks before, every year like December, kapag papasok ang taon guys, we all know that Starbucks have a promo about a stickers. So kapag bibili ka, diba tinatanong nila if you collect stickers of Starbucks, and they will give you a card. So this year they have the latest card na like this. So if you a Starbucks lover like us, so hindi naman kami Starbucks lover, pero we love to drink coffee, buy coffee guys. And kasi before yung Starbucks, kapag nagko-collect ako ng sticker, I think 2 years ago nag-collect ako ng sticker sa Philippines nung nandito pa kami sa Philippines noon, and I got also a Starbucks planner, yung old version ng Starbucks planner. I think that was a 2020. So yes, I got a Starbucks planner 2020, way back 2020. Anyways, so before kasi may mga, para siya may papel lang, tapos they will give you every time you purchase like a grande or a tall size purchase beverages, drinks, either coffee or a frap or tea, so crafted tea, so they will give you a sticker at the cashier. So every time you purchase it, they will give you a sticker and then you will put it. So it's 18 stickers if you remember, and if you drink in Starbucks, so 18 sticker. Now I've been surprised because they give me this like a ATM card or ID card, and then they will scan this one in the cashier, and they will let you know how many points you have or how many stickers you have. So you need to collect 18 stickers in each card. So kapag na-collect mo ni 18 stickers guys, you will have to choose if you want a planner like this. So they have two colors, gold and black. So I think gold and black. So this is gold because of this gold one. So gold and black, and they have a 2 tumblers. I'm not sure about the tumblers, but I don't like tumblers since I have a tumbler already. And now because 2023, I need a planner for the whole year, and our 2023 guys will be busier, so much busy tayo ngayon 2023. I need to put some of our plans here since we have a lot of travel vlogs guys. And yes, I'm still editing my 2020 travel vlogs, and hopefully na matapos ko siya guys. Hopefully, fingers crossed people. So anyways, I will have to unbox my latest planner from Starbucks. So mahaba na tong video na to guys. What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so this is my Starbucks planner guys, the gold planner from Starbucks. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsor guys, people. So now let me start too. So this is a planner so for year 2023. So now I start to open it, what's inside guys, and I'm so excited since I don't have any planner for this year. So this is my first planner for the year 2023. Now I'll do unboxing. So here it's very smooth. It's color gold, so it's gold, guys, and the other one is black. So I chose gold. So yeah, so okay. So once you open it, guys, I will set aside the planner first. I will look at what's inside the box, only the box. So here I have the Starbucks planner. It's color gold. Gold for gold. Gold for the win. So here I have the mermaid here. Once you open it, it's a clip. So it's a clip, guys. So I have the gold mermaid Starbucks. So you can put something here and here. So once you open it, you have on the right side corner a ball pen. Ball pen, guys. So here it's a ball pen. Starbucks. Let me see it. Starbucks ball pen, people of the universe. So open it. Let me open it, people. So it's a Starbucks pen. So I will set aside this. I will bring it back here on the side, and I will show you what's inside. So here I have, I think it's a pocket. Yeah, pocket here, guys. So it's a clip again. So yeah, so it's a clip. So here I have this one. So it's a Starbucks logo again. So here you can clip here on the side of this, and then you can bring it back and then unclip. Then you can take it out this pouch. This is this black small pouch. So once you open it, there's a hole, of course, inside. I think you can put something here like cards or a small memo paper, and then it's a zipper too. So yeah. So I bring it back this one, people. So the next one is the paper. So ito ang laman niya, guys. So ito yung Starbucks paper. So for the planner, I'll take it out. So here you can see the 2023, people. So now I will arrange it since it's not arranged yet. So I will arrange it, guys. I will set aside the black pouch, and then I will put like this. Okay, so alright, then I'll put here. Yeah. Oh, okay. You hear the sound? Okay, so this is the Starbucks. It's a 2023, people. And then once you open it, wow, it's a mermaid. Since the logo is a mermaid, guys, I think this is the logo. It's a mermaid tail, Starbucks, and then let me see. Oh, it's a logo, guys. It's black. So you can see there's a date here. From 12 months, January to December, year 2023, people. You have the personal information on the right side corner, your name, birthday, all your details here, emergency contacts. On the next page, Starbucks is an oasis where you can feel a sense of belonging. So it's about Starbucks. It started the planner now, January 23, January. So have a Starbucks at the side. So January. So when you go to the next one, which is February, so at the end of the planner, you can see at the end of the January, they have also like this one, like a row. So the one earlier you see is like a Sunday, a daily calendar, and this one is like a row that you can put something, a long paragraph or a sentence over here. This one is like a short boxes, small boxes. And Chinese New Year, they have a special occasion here, and then there's a few pages, blank pages here. You can do writings or whatever you want. And then on February, different theme about a mermaid. February, guys. So February is the same. So just like that, it's like the January. The third one is March. So every morning is different, but the good one start with finding comfort in your favorites at Starbucks. So this March is my favorite month since my birthday is March. So another thing, guys, same as January, same as February. So the next one is different theme again, which is April. So April, guys. So it's a holy Monday, Thursday, Good Friday, and Easter is coming, May. So we are in May. So another, same as the April, guys. Now we are in June. So in June, guys, different theme again. So I will fast track na, guys. So September, October, guys. So November, and the last is the December. So you're always looking forward and both together through the lens of our heritage and legacy. So yun na, guys. So every year have different theme of the planner. You can see here the mermaid at the back, and if you remember earlier, if I will bring it back, this like a mermaid in the front before you will start your details, your calendars. So ayun lang ang ating boat. It's very good, it's very compact. Ayun siya, guys. Top view, side view with the pen, which is Starbucks pen, and then is a clip. So it's embossed. So here you can see here the Starbucks embossed, guys. You can see here very clear. Ayan, kita nyo ba? So ayun na nga, guys, ang ating Starbucks Planner 2023. So that's it, guys. That's our Starbucks planner for the year 2023 unboxing for today's video. So ito na siya, guys. Tanan! So I got the gold, which is the mermaid planner, guys. And you can see earlier, it's a good planner also. Na nakita niyo sa video, they also have a pouch here. They also have a ball pen here, which is embroidered Starbucks over here. So, ayan yung Starbucks, guys. So, yeah. So, satisfied. I got the gold one here, guys. So, I got something here. Pero, usually, every year, they also have a different planner. So, the last time I got the planner is, they have stickers at the back. So, ngayon, medyo minimalist lang siya. Minimalist and very compact. Hindi katulad ng before. Kasi yung before, hindi siya ganitong clip. Ano lang siya, para siyang, garterized na parang sasara mo lang. So anyways, I got this one. This is the card earlier. Yung sinabi ko kanina sa inyo, guys. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsored, guys. And masaya ako kasi nakakuha kami ng 18. Hindi lang yun siya isang inuman. Sinama ko yung family ko para mabuo ko yung 18 stickers, guys. So yes. So yeah, I'm very happy on my Starbucks planner. This is the box and this is the planner, guys. So guys, this is the end of our unboxing, our planner from Starbucks year 2023. For today's video, I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po. See you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao la!